In this video, I'm going to show you how you can collate your students' research from different places in the world using My Maps from Google. So first of all, go to mymaps.google.com. You can also get there from your Google Drive. Once the page loads, go to the top left and click on the red button to create a new map. Once the page has loaded, you can enter the location of the place you would like to search for. In this case, I'm going to put Ghana. I'm using the Homowo festival as an example. When the map appears, click on Add to Map to drop a marker. So to begin with, we're going to add a picture. So I've already found an image on Google Images, and this is how I insert it. I click on the icon, I go to my search results and I right click so the menu appears and I can copy the image address. Once I have that address, I go back to my Google Maps and I click on image URL and paste it in there. Last thing, click select. As you see, the picture will appear and there is space below to write information. At this point, I'll go over to my graphic organizer and my research notes to figure out where I'm going to start. So I'm going to type in some information here as an example. It's worth noting that when you type in this box, this text will remain static. Now that means that if you add more pictures or more videos, as I'm going to show you in just a moment, it will be the same text. The text box does expand, so you can put as much information in here as you like. Once you are finished writing in your information, and remember you can come back and edit at any time, you simply hit the Save button. Next, I'm going to show you how to insert a video. So it's the same principle. You click on the camera icon, you go to YouTube and select the URL, the web address for your video, and you copy it. Then you come back to Google My Maps and you paste it into the appropriate box. And it will be added to your gallery. Now you can see there is the picture and also the video with the same text below each. So at the bottom of the box, you will see there are some other options. The first one that looks like a paint bucket will allow you to change the color of your marker. The second one is to edit the text that you've just written. As you already know, the camera allows you to insert a video or a picture. We won't need the next one because it's for how to get there, in other words, directions. But of course, if you make a mistake or you realize you're in the wrong country, you can always use the bin icon to get rid of all of the things that you've posted so far. But do note that when you click on the bin icon, everything will disappear.